Bo. Cara mengucapkannya, ujung lidah terkena ujung gigi bagian dalam, ujung lidah jangan sampai kelihatan, bibir moncong, dan tidak mendesis seperti za. Bo, bo, bo.
Tho, the same as the letters tha and tha, by touching the tip of the tongue to the tip of the upper incisors. The tongue tip is hidden and the lips are muzzled. The sound must be rich and powerful. Tho, 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 tho.
Bo, bo, bo.